For too long, I think granola has seen the least amount of innovation in the category. And that's why today I want to do something a little different and make some bacon and egg granola. We'll start by preheating our oven and setting our stovetop to low. We're going to make a stinky liquid of turmeric and black salt, which is going to coat our oats to give them that eggy smell and color. Oh no, I forgot the most important part. Before we continue on, we have to pay the Pigeon Tribute. If you don't pay the tribute, the recipe's not going to taste good, I'm sorry. It's just a new rule that happened, and we're here now. You want to gracefully lay down the tribute, and then turn your eyes and thank the tributees. And that's it. Good job. Don't linger for too long. Now that our tribute has been successfully made, we can add our first cup of oats to the pan, and we're going to pour over our stinky liquid. Just mix it all up and squish it down and make sure it's all well incorporated. We're calling this stinky liquid because the black salt that we used has sulfur in it, which kind of makes it smell like a fart or some eggs. After that, I'm going to chop up some walnuts and pecans. You're also welcome to use pre-chopped nuts or throw them in the food processor for an easier time. I already had a dirty cutting board and I wanted more home-style pieces, so that's why I used that. The stinky liquid clusters are kind of looking like egg pieces. Now that all our ingredients are prepped, we're going to throw in another cup of oats, bacon bits, and our chopped nuts. Next, we'll throw in some smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, and some ground flax as a binder. Make sure to get your hands in there and mix this very well. I find that the granola tastes better when you touch all of it. I mean, that's a personal preference. This is very therapeutic though. Now moving on to the wet ingredients, we're going to heat them over low heat. We're going to use olive oil, vanilla, maple syrup, and tahini. We're not looking to cook this in any way. We're just trying to melt everything down and make it homogeneous. We're going to stir it up really well. I tasted this and there's something about my caveman brain that wants sugar and fat, and this is too good. Genuinely be careful. On to the next step. We want to pour our wet ingredients over our dry ingredients. You're going to mix this really, really well until it's all incorporated, and you're going to see it looks all a little damp. That's when you'll know you're done. Feel free to take a little snack break here because this is all edible raw. After you're done mixing, we're going to get our 12x9 pan and we're going to line it. You don't really need to line it, but it just makes it a little easier. Just spread all the granola out in a nice even layer. And then we're just going to keep going and pressing it down. The tighter you pack it, the bigger clusters you're going to get. Let's be honest, no one wants like a handful of granola. They want like big pieces that you can pull out. We're going to throw this in the oven for 10 minutes, and after that, you're going to rotate it and then put it in for another 10 minutes. You're going to let it rest so it crisps up a little bit. Once the granola is done, we're going to play a little break the ice. This spatula was not working, so I had to go get a metal one. I'm looking at all these big pieces and I cannot wait to try this. All right, here's the final result. Your maple pecan bacon and egg granola at your service. It looks really beautiful, but how does it taste? Let's give it a rating. Truthfully, I think everything on this granola is spot on. 9 pigeons out of 10. The crunch is there, the flavor is unique, and you have to try this. As always, hit me up on socials if you make it, and subscribe for more pigeons and recipes.